Authentik versus Keycloak versus Authelia. In this video, I will compare these authentication platforms so that you can choose the right one. So make sure to like and subscribe. So for the first comparison, their ease of setup. Authentik wins here with its modern UI and Docker-friendly deployment, while Keycloak is powerful, but it has a steeper learning curve and it feels enterprise-heavy. Lastly, Authelia is lightweight, but configuration can be confusing for beginners. Next is their feature set. Keycloak is the most complete. It offers fine-grained access controls, SSO, multi-tenant support, and more. While Authentic is more user-friendly with a clean UI but still has rich feature sets. And Authelia is focused more on 2FA and reverse proxy protection rather than a full-blown IDP. Next is their performance and scalability. Keycloak scales really well for large enterprises, while Authentic is decent, but it can get resource intensive with more users. And Authelia is fast and light, best for smaller setups or personal use. Next is their community and support. Keycloak has a massive community and is backed by Red Hat, while Authentic has a massive community, but it's gaining traction quickly and it offers active deployment. And then Authelia. It has a smaller but loyal open source user base. So for final verdict, for enterprise-grade deployments with complex SSO needs, you can go for Keycloak. And for simpler, modern, and self-hosted authentication, you can go with Authentic. And if you're looking for lightweight security on your self-hosted apps, you can go for Authelia. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.